Welcome back to my channel. Let's dive into the fascinating world of washed colored sand under the microscope. First up, take a look at this vibrant tray of washed colored play sand. Isn't it a sight to behold? Now, we're placing a sample of this sand under our microscope, ready to uncover its hidden beauty. Gently does it. As we position the sand onto the microscope stage, anticipation builds for what we'll discover. With the microscope light on and the stage adjusted, we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the microscopic realm. Peering through the lens, we start at low magnification, revealing a mesmerizing array of colors and textures in each grain. As we zoom in further, intricate patterns emerge, showcasing the unique characteristics of each sand grain. And finally, at high magnification, we're treated to a close-up view of the intricate structures and details within the sand. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey into the microscopic world of washed colored sand. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating adventures.